The blueprint process asks questions which you will never have thought of yourself. They'll approach things in a way which will get you looking at yourselves, your team, and the way you work from the perspective of an outsider. And that is key to some of the nuggets we found as we went through the process. So I think, if you're considering it, is invaluable, and one you will never manage to get yourself. I'm Duncan, I'm CEO of Rohallion. Our biggest challenge before the blueprint process is structure, consistency of structure. We don't have that. So between projects within ClickUp, we might have a different way of doing things, which is the lack of use of our project management tool. But too much information was being stored in heads rather than being documented and structured in a PM tool. So if someone went off unexpectedly, that left a hole for the others in the team to pick up. Apart from obviously the potential structure that the blueprint process developed, I think one of the biggest sort of reveals for us was in the forcing us to think about certain questions. And in particular, the example that comes to mind is the roles that we have within the team. Although we're a small team, one consistent structure that's used everywhere will be much more efficient and allow us to track things that perhaps we aren't able to progress across different multiple projects and things. So that really is the thing that's really we're most looking forward to with implementation.